What's up guys, and it's official. The Samsung Galaxy S10 first official teaser is here. On February 20th, a week away from my birthday, Samsung will officially unveil its 10th anniversary legendary Galaxy S10 family, which includes the S10 Lite, S10 Edge, S10 Plus, along with a special 5G variant, which is going to be a dream Galaxy. We have some crazy news on that. And then finally, we'll see a full look of the foldable Galaxy F. All at the same event. I talked about in my last video how this will be an incredible event filled with everything we need from Samsung. So before I dive in and break down this teaser message, this teaser image, let's talk about an oopsie. Samsung made an oopsie. They accidentally leaked the Galaxy S10 design with their One UI. And as of now, they have removed the original images, but the good Redditor named QGTX spotted the images, and as you can see, we have a bezel-less Galaxy S10 with the infinity hole towards the right. After this, Samsung realized their mistake and they actually removed the image and replaced it with this, so no hole, but still it is a bezel-less design, pretty much confirming the Galaxy S10 leaks and everything we know so far. Okay, back to the teaser image, and after taking a deep look from all the angles, this is actually a big tease of the design. The greatest thing about the Galaxy S10 family will be its design. It's going to be the only phone on the market with infinity hole on a OLED display. This is something that only Samsung can do right now, which is why this will make the Galaxy S10 family super unique. So last time it was the camera for the Galaxy S9 family, but this time it's going to be the new design, and it's pretty clever teaser, I would say. We have almost zero bezels, and the number 10 confirms that the Galaxy S10 will have the number 10 in their name. They won't change it to Galaxy X or anything. And also the big O that is overlapping on the two displays is the hole in our Galaxy. Now if you rotate the image, it kind of shows off the fold as well, like how the O is a part of both displays. And actually it is that, since Samsung is expected to reveal the foldable phone in its full glory as well at San Francisco S10 event on February 20th. Now this all will happen a week before the MWC 2019, and the reason why Samsung is unveiling the foldable phone early is because Huawei is going to unveil their foldable phone at MWC. This year we'll see a lot of foldable phones from different companies, so I'm interested to see how Huawei will do their stuff. Now just want to point out that the foldable phone name is not confirmed. Galaxy F could be called as Galaxy Fold. We're not fully confirmed about that, but it's going to be a unique name for the Samsung foldable phone. Now there is a huge report that absolutely blew me away. These are the battery sizes for the S10 family, pretty good overall, but the information regarding the 5G S10 Plus and the foldable phone is missing. And well, now we have that information in our hands thanks to the Galaxy Club. According to them, the 5G Galaxy S10, internally known as Beyond X with model number SMG977, would most likely be having a massive 5000 mAh battery size. That is incredible. 5000 mAh battery size is going to be the largest battery in the Galaxy S/Note flagship, and this same battery will be inside the Galaxy M20 and M30 mid-range devices. So don't act surprised if Samsung can bring a 5000 mAh juice on the mid voices, then the 5G Galaxy S10 Plus baby also deserves the same big scoop of 5000 mAh juice. And regarding the foldable phone, we'll see a dual 3100 mAh battery, making it a 6200 mAh battery size. Wow, I am so excited guys. 5G Galaxy S10 Plus model is looking like a dream model to have. I'm sure it's going to be pretty good with the battery life. Now, some interesting news on the Galaxy S10 Lite is that the name could be Galaxy S10e. This info is coming from the internal suppliers that have informed Mobile Phone. So Galaxy S10 Lite could be called as S10e. It actually won't have an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's probably going to have it on the side since it's a cheaper model, so Samsung has to cut some corner shot, but rest assured it's going to be a really powerful flagship with the same chipset as the pricey Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and it's going to have an OLED infinity hole display. So in case you have missed my previous videos, here is a quick recap. So a 5.8-inch OLED display for the S10 Lite combined with a 3100 mAh cell, 6.1-inch for the S10 with a 3500 mAh cell, and 6.4-inch display for the S10 Plus with a 4000 mAh battery. For the 5G S10 Plus, the display will go all the way up to 6.6 inches with a 5000 mAh battery cell. And across all these 4 Galaxy S10 models, we'll see an Infinity O OLED design, and it's going to be on the right. Only S10 Plus and the 5G S10 Plus will have a dual pill hole towards the right because of dual front cameras. The rest of the Galaxy S10 models will only have a small single front camera hole. Triple cameras are for the S10 and S10 Plus, whereas the dual camera is specific to the S10 Lite, and 4 cameras are specific to the 5G S10 Plus. Now, the force sensor for the Galaxy S10 Plus is said to be the time of flight AR 3D sensor. And for the foldable phone, we'll see a 7.3-inch display that can fold into a 4.6-inch display phone. Triple cameras on the back, 6200 mAh battery, and Snapdragon 855/Exynos 9820 will be inside of all of these Galaxies. So, and also strictly OLED displays, no LCD peasants, all rich OLED displays. So that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10 family. Everything is coming to the Lite at February 20th in San Francisco. I am super excited, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.